To save a screenshot as a PNG file on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that the format setting for the screenshot is set to PNG. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap screenshot and screen recording. Under screenshot section, tap format and then select PNG. To see the result, take a screenshot. Open the screenshot in the Gallery app. Next, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view the details of the screenshot. You can see that the screenshot has been saved in PNG file. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.